welcome back to another Explorer video. We are under the hood. We got the manual out. We wanted to see what it said. We know for the cabin air filter it said absolutely nothing. It does give you a little bit of information about the air filter for the engine. So at least they're not thinking the public is totally inept. They are telling you how to do this. Looks like it's not quite going to go like the book says, but I'll let you know. The book says undo the clips and remove the cover. Let's see how easy it is. I'm guessing you probably got to unhook some hoses, but let's take a look and see how it comes out. All right, so there's your air filter box, and there's the two clips they say we're going to have to undo. I find it hard to believe this is going to be flexible enough, but we'll see. Those are easy enough. That might be easy enough. Let's see. It's not the easiest. All right, so we did get it up. We'll show you what it looks like here from afar. Well, we did manage to get this loose. And it looks like we can get this out. Wow. That's dirty, ain't it? Look at that. Okay, so that's a dirty one. Here's a clean one. Clean, dirty. Once again, 20,000 miles. Well, we can get the other one in. They say clean this box out. We do have a couple loose things in there we can pick out. But for the most part, it's pretty clean. Now you can put this down in here. Just like that. Gotta force this down in there again. Got some slots up in the front here that this has to go in. Not the easiest to get in, probably. No. There we go. Once you're in like that, kind of seat this down, pull the clips back up. All right, the clips we put back up are those two there. This one and the one up here. Oh, there you go, you're in. So that's actually a pretty easy job to do yourself. Most places will tell you they'll do it for free. So there you go, a nice dirty one. Got a nice clean one in there now, so that's a good deal. This probably has 20,000 miles on it. Put it in about once a year. Looks like maybe we should do it a little more often. A lot of road salt, road dust up here in the north. So here's the crazy thing is places will tell you they'll do this for free, but remember their free is 30 bucks for this. I paid 15. So don't tell me it's free when you charge me more for the part than what I can buy the part anywhere for. So do your own maintenance, get to know your vehicle. If you're broke down on the road, it'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More of these cool videos coming. See you very soon.